Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jordan from Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we have a super easy install for any 2024 Toyota Tacoma owners, and that is the AJT key fob. We're going to be replacing our OEM key fob with this new offering from AJT, and we're going to be going over how to install that on your OEM key fob right now. So the AJT key fob can be bought in a couple of different colors. We went with the red for our key fob install, so we're going to go ahead and pull everything out of the packaging, where you'll have the red key fob, set of instructions, and all of the buttons and hardware necessary for the install. So the first thing we're going to want to do with our key fob is take the actual key out. So we're going to push down on this tab right here and then pull that key out. From there you can just separate this key fob by just holding on the two sides and then pulling it apart. Once you've pulled your key fob apart, you're going to want to take the electronics on the one side of the key fob, put those off to the side, as well as the rubber gasket on the other side of the key fob. There we can go ahead and discard our old OEM key fob pieces and then get our AJT key fobs ready for the installation. So in this bag right here, you're going to have a bunch of different buttons. Now we're going to be using these in the same orientation that you have on your OEM key fob. So the AJT key fob actually comes in a couple of different colors. We went with red for our replacement of the OEM Toyota Tacoma key fob. Now, when you get your key fob from AJT, you're going to have a couple of different things in the packaging. You will have your key fob replacement, a set of instructions from AJT, all of the hardware necessary for your install, and the replacement buttons for your new key fob. Before we install everything onto the new key fob, we do have to get a couple of important items out of our OEM key fob. To do that, we're going to pull down on this tab on the back and pull the key out. Once we've removed the key from the key fob, we're going to want to go ahead and pry this open. Once you open the key fob, you'll want to remove the electronics on the inside, as well as this rubber gasket. From there, we can go ahead and disregard our OEM key fob. You will want to take note of how many buttons were on your key fob. Ours had the panic as well as the unlock and lock buttons. But if you have a premium version of the Tacoma, you will also have the tailgate unlock button. From there, we can grab our AJT key fob and get it ready for installation. So we're going to go ahead and flip both of these pieces and get ready to install everything onto our AJT key fob. Now the first thing you'll want to do is install these new buttons. You'll get a package full of a bunch of different buttons in here. You'll want to match up the buttons with the ones that came on your key fob. So if you have an unlock and lock button, you'll grab those, and if you had the power tailgate button, you'll grab that as well. You will also have this blank button as well. If your key fob only has the panic, unlock, and lock buttons, you'll want to use this one in the place of the third hole on your key fob. We will now take the side with all of the openings and lay it flat on the ground and begin installing all of the buttons into the key fob. They should all simply fit into place. We got our lock button. Go ahead and find our unlock button, which is right here. We'll grab that black piece since we do not have the automatic tailgate on our Tacoma, and then the panic button. Once we've done that, we'll grab the other side of the key fob as well as our electronics from the OEM key fob and insert them into place. So once you've installed the electronics on the one side of your AJT key fob, go ahead and grab the old OEM key fob, and we're going to want to remove that clip right there. So this is going to allow us to put the key back into the AJT key fob. So make sure you grab this before you put the rest of your AJT key fob together. So to install the spring, you'll just want to grab the one side of your key fob and insert it into this slot up on the top. From there, we'll want to take our rubber gasket and place it on the side of your key fob with the buttons. From here, you're ready to start installing the hardware on your key fob. Make sure that you just place these two together. Make sure that they fit snug. And then we can grab the rest of our hardware and begin tightening down the key fob. So AJT supplies 4 bolts for the installation of the key fob as well as an Allen key. Go ahead and start threading these bolts into your key fob. Just remember that the key fob is made of plastic, so you just want to snug these down and not over tighten them. So once you've gotten your hardware threaded, go ahead and grab your Allen wrench and start to snug each of these bolts down. And just a reminder, make sure not to over tighten these because the key fob is plastic. You don't want to strip the key fob in any way. Once you've finished snugging all of those bolts down, make sure to grab your key and insert it into the correct position. Should pop right in. You have now successfully installed your 2024 Toyota Tacoma AJT key fob. Okay guys, it's just as easy as that. We have replaced our OEM key fob with this AJT key fob for the 4th Gen Tacoma. If you like this key fob and want to pick one up for yourself, you can head over to our website at tacomalifestyle.com, find the color that you want, and get yours ordered today. If you want to see more installation videos for the Toyota Tacoma, make sure you're subscribed to us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Tacoma Lifestyle. Thanks again for watching, guys.